So I recently got an iPad 9th Gen for Christmas, and I wanted it specifically to use Affinity Designer. However, what I was noticing is as I was drawing, the entire iPad would just completely seize up, and this happened probably 3 or 4 times before I decided to look into it. I ended up finding a solution. I went to the settings menu and changed the undo history to 45 and the save interval to 500. You can mess around with the settings as you wish, these are just the values I ended up settling on, but for me it seems to have completely fixed the issue. I haven't had a freeze since, and I was getting one probably every single time I went to draw. Anyway, I hope this helped you out.